In the year 410 AD, the once great city of Rome stood besieged, its once impregnable walls breached by the barbarian hordes of Alaric, the Visigothic king. The Roman Empire, a titan of the ancient world, faced its darkest hour. Rome, the eternal city, had stood for over 1,000 years, a testament to the ingenuity and might of the Roman people. Its grandeur was unrivaled, its culture permeating the known world. Yet, in the twilight of the 4th century, it faced an enemy it could not vanquish, an enemy from the north. Alaric, a Gothic king, had led his people south, fleeing the harsh lands of the Huns. Seeking refuge and resources, he and his followers found themselves at the gates of Rome. The Roman Senate, weakened by internal strife and the weight of its own decadence, refused to pay the tribute demanded. The Goths, incensed by Rome's rejection, laid siege to the city. For months, they battered the walls, their siege engines hurling rocks and fire. The Roman defenders fought valiantly, but the tide of barbarian fury was relentless. One fateful day, the walls of Rome fell. The Goths poured into the city, looting and pillaging with abandon. The Roman elite, fearful for their lives, fled the city, leaving the common folk to the mercy of the invaders. The sack of Rome was a turning point in history. The once unconquerable city had fallen, its might shattered. The Roman Empire, already struggling to maintain its grip on its far-flung territories, was now in rapid decline. The fall of Rome marked the end of an era. The barbarians, once kept at bay by the might of Rome, were now free to roam the lands. The Dark Ages were upon Europe, a time of chaos and darkness. Yet, from the ashes of the fallen empire, new civilizations would rise, shaped by the lessons of Rome and the legacy it left behind. The sack of Rome, a tragic event in the annals of history, serves as a stark reminder of the transient nature of power and the unpredictable twists of fate that shape the course of history.